In this video, we're going to go over the Excel from A to Z course intro in this particular section. So we're going to pretty much give you an introduction to what exactly is Microsoft Excel, who this course is for, and really kind of giving you an overview of the marketplace for the Excel related jobs, and also for those that are looking to get into data analyst jobs, jobs that require data visualization, and really just where the marketplace is heading to, where it's currently at, and as far as the growth opportunities that are coming up in the horizon. So great opportunities coming up here for the Excel marketplace, and then also for just anybody who is looking to get into the data visualization, data analysis field. So let's go ahead and jump into the Excel from A to Z course intro. So the very first thing that we're going to be going over here is what exactly is Microsoft Excel. We're going to cover that in detail. We're going to go over what specifically it's used for, why businesses use this, and why it's really an important tool for pretty much every single business out there. So after that, then we're going to go into who this course is for. We're going to give you an overview of whether you're a beginner, whether you're an intermediate or expert, or maybe somebody who has maybe some senior experience and you're looking to find out some new tactics, some new tricks, right? And we're going to show you what you're going to be able to learn through going through this course. And then we're going to go through the Microsoft Excel marketplace. We're going to give you an overview of where everything is at as far as the Excel, as far as stepping into the marketplace as an Excel experienced user. Definitely going through this course, you're going to become that go-to expert in your field as far as an Excel expert, right? Because you're not only going to learn how to be able to, use Excel at an expert level, right? But you're also going to learn how to be able to position yourself as the go-to expert in your field through, various things such as personal branding, being able to have your own website, and a lot of different things that you can do to land that perfect job of yours, or to be able to start out freelancing and working with clients. And then after that, we're going to go over the Microsoft Excel job opportunities in the marketplace. So what kind of jobs are there out there in the marketplace? What are the titles? What are the descriptions, right? What are essentially they're requiring from you as an individual? And so we're going to walk through those in detail. And then finally here, we're going to go over some of the different Excel job related roles. So there's going to be a lot of roles that require Excel skills, but then those that are really specifically towards the Excel platform or software, right? Where the majority of your time is going to be spent in Excel, building different dashboards, different databases, different visualizations, and using a lot of different techniques within the Excel dashboard to be able to create these very unique, information databases, these very unique data visualizations, and be able to create all these different types of displays of information. So that's going to be here for the section overview. Really excited for you to get started in this course, and we'll see you on the next one.